How to add product variants in Link Cell. Want to add product variants in Link Cell? It's quick, simple, and helps you manage different product options from one dashboard. First, open your Link Cell dashboard and go to Products from the left menu. Click Add Product. Now enter your product name. Next, add a short product description so customers clearly understand what you are selling. Select the product category, then enter the selling price and cost price. After that, upload your product images in the gallery section. Now scroll down to the variants section. Here you can add product options like color, size, or style. For example, you can add colors like black and white. If you have separate images for each variant, you can upload those as well. Then enter the available stock quantity for each variant. Once everything is complete, click Save. That's it. Your product with variants is now added to your Link Cell dashboard. Now let's see how the same product appears on your online store. Open your store website and find the product you just added. Here, customers can see the product name, product image, price, and available options. For example, this product is available in different colors, such as black and white. When a customer selects a color, the available stock will display based on that specific variant. This helps customers know which option is available and how many pieces are in stock before they place an order. Now let's check the same product in the Link Cell POS app. Open the POS app, search for the product, and select it. Here, you can see the available variants, such as black and white. When you select a variant, the available stock quantity will appear. With Link Cell, your product variants stay organized across your dashboard, online store, and POS app, helping you sell smoothly both in-store and online.